Have you ever wondered why two people can start with the same paycheck, the same job, and the same 24 hours in a day, but one ends up wealthy while the other stays broke? The answer isn't luck or connections, it's mindset. Yes, your thoughts about money are either building your future or blocking it. And today on Money Mindset 1011, I'm going to show you exactly how to rewire your thinking to think like a millionaire and build the life you deserve. Welcome back to Money Mindset 1011, where we turn smart thinking into smarter money. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and ready to upgrade your financial reality, it starts right here by changing how you think. In this video, we're diving deep into the millionaire mindset, what it is, why it matters, and how you can start developing it right now. Problem or challenges? Let's face it, most people have been programmed to think wrong about money. Money is evil. Rich people are lucky. I'll never be able to afford that. Sound familiar? These limiting beliefs create fear, doubt, and inaction. And when your thoughts are limited, your bank account stays limited too. The real trap isn't lack of money, it's the scarcity mindset. Scarcity tells you there's never enough, that success is only for others, and that saving money is more important than building wealth. That mindset is costing you thousands. Exploration or development. Now let's flip the script. Here are the key mindset traits that separate millionaires from everyone else. Number 1, abundance thinking. Millionaires believe there's more than enough to go around. They know opportunities are endless. You just have to spot and act on them. At Money Mindset 1011, we teach you to see money as a tool, not a problem. Number 2, investing over saving. While most people hoard money out of fear, millionaires invest in assets, stocks, businesses, real estate. They let money work for them. Number 3, delayed gratification. Millionaires skip the quick dopamine hit for long-term freedom. No flashy cars now, because they're building empires. Discipline is their superpower. Number 4, self-investment. From books to coaches, courses to communities, they spend thousands to level up their skills. They know personal growth equals income growth. Number 5, calculated risk-taking. Millionaires aren't reckless, but they're not afraid to bet on themselves. They take informed risks that most people run from. Number 6, goal-oriented thinking. Every dollar has a purpose. Every move is strategic. They don't just hope for success, they plan and pursue it. But here's the biggest shift. Millionaires expect to win. They walk into rooms with confidence, start businesses with belief, and invest with clarity. This expectation isn't arrogance, it's certainty rooted in mindset. One millionaire once said, "Wealth is a decision you make long before the money arrives." When you believe wealth is possible for you, your actions start matching that belief. That's the tipping point. That's when everything changes. Real stories or inspiration. At Money Mindset 1011, we've seen people go from broke to building income streams just by changing their mindset. A college dropout who used affirmations in action to start an online business. A single mom who started budgeting, investing, and turned her side hustle into a six-figure brand. These are real people, not lucky, just focused. And that can be you. So let's recap. Stop thinking money is evil. Embrace calculated risk. Delay gratification. Invest in yourself. And most importantly, expect to succeed. Millionaire thinking isn't a fantasy, it's a framework. And now you have the blueprint. If this message hit home, drop a comment and tell me, what millionaire habit will you adopt today? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Money Mindset 1011, and check out our playlist on passive income and wealth building for your next steps. Your millionaire journey starts here.